Hello, and welcome to this new video about Python security, encryption and decryption. Now, let's start by looking at the basic concepts of encryption and decryption in Python. Encryption is the process of converting plain text into an unreadable format called ciphertext. Decryption is the reverse process, converting the ciphertext back to its original plain text form. In this tutorial, we will be using the cryptography library in Python to perform these tasks. Let's start by installing the library using pip. Now that we have the cryptography library installed, we can proceed with encrypting data. Let's start by encrypting a simple message. Here is a sample code to encrypt a message using fernet encryption. First, we import the fernet module from the cryptography library. Then we generate an encryption key and create a fernet object using this key. Finally, we encrypt the message and print the encrypted result. You can see the code on the screen. Now that we have encrypted our text, let's move on to learning how to decrypt it. Here's a sample code to decrypt the encrypted message we created in the previous step. We use the same fernet object and the decrypt method to decrypt the message. We then print the decrypted message. You can see the code on the screen. By using the cryptography library in Python, we can easily encrypt and decrypt data to ensure secure communication and data storage. Remember that it is very important to keep your encryption keys safe, as they are critical for securing your data. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.